also about thinking strategically. You want to say something? Just say the last one. F8, give a big hand. Let me ask you, what is on F8? What is on F8? Yeah, the bishop is on F8. That's the light, it's called the light square bishop. So in the game of chess, the queen is the most powerful piece. With how many points? 9 points. The queen has got how many points? 9! And then there's the rook. The rook has got 5 points. Who knows the rook? This is the rook, okay? Or known as the castle also, right? And then you have got the knight with the bishop. They both have 3 points. So it's very important not to lose your queen. And then of course the queen is not, the king doesn't have points because the piece you are targeting. And then you have got the pawns. You have got the what? Each pawn is how many points? Who knows? 1. Give yourself a big hand. That's fantastic. Now it's also as you plan towards getting the king, there's something called, what is that I'm pointing at? What is that? Thinking strategically. You have to plan. You have to do what? Plan. You have to know, if I put this knight from this square to this square, I'll be in a good position to attack the king and capture the king, which is called what? Check? Checkmate. That is very good. Yes? Wow! Did you hear that? What did she say? You also have to be sure that the place you're moving to is not going to be attacked by another. Give a big hand. That is fantastic. So that's strategically. So you're saying, if I move here, will I be attacked? You say, no, I won't be attacked. So you decide, this is the place I'm going to move to, right? Yes, otherwise you're going to be attacked. It's also, one of the things she's talking about is